A car water pump is the mechanical heart of your cooling system. It constantly pushes liquid antifreeze through the hot engine block and into the radiator. Without this vital component, your engine would melt itself in minutes. The pump is usually bolted directly to the front of the engine block. It is powered mechanically by a spinning serpentine belt or timing belt. As the engine runs, the belt spins the main pulley on the pump. Hidden behind that spinning pulley is a metal or plastic fan called an impeller. When the belt turns the pulley, the internal impeller spins rapidly inside the metal housing. This creates massive centrifugal force to move the coolant. This powerful spinning action violently scoops up cold antifreeze from the radiator. It then blasts that freezing liquid deep into the hollow cooling jackets surrounding the scorching hot engine cylinders to absorb the extreme heat. Over time, the internal bearing or the main shaft seal will eventually wear out. When this seal fails, you will start noticing a steady puddle of bright green or orange coolant leaking right under the front bumper. A failing bearing will also create a loud, high-pitched grinding or whining noise from the front of the engine. Ignoring these warning signs guarantees a blown head gasket and thousands of dollars in severe heat damage.